everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
gallbladder. Now, gallbladder is basically the storage area for the bile. Like I said, gallbladder is also the part of the biliary apparatus, and we have discussed about the biliary apparatus in a separate lecture. You can watch that lecture. So basically, gallbladder is like I said, storage for the bile. होता ये कि liver से bile secrete होता है through the ducts, right and left hepatic duct, then common hepatic duct. It will enter into the gallbladder and it will store there. Okay, around up to 50 ml bile can be stored in the gallbladder, and after that, whenever it is needed, that gallbladder will release that bile into the duodenum. Now, gallbladder consists of following three parts, which are very much important. Number one, fundus. Number two, body, and the number three is neck. First, fundus. Fundus of the gallbladder is a pouch-like extension which is present in front of transverse colon. Okay, if you see the gallbladder, there will be a pouch-like extension, or you can say that there is an you can say that pouch-like extension, and that will be the fundus part. Okay, above that there is a body of the gallbladder which continues with the neck superiorly. Okay, so first of all, superiorly neck होती है, neck के नीचे body, body के नीचे fundus होता है. Okay, now body of the gallbladder will be present in the fossa of the gallbladder. Okay, now what is fossa of gallbladder? We have discussed in the lecture of liver that there is a portion, there is a fossa in the liver, in the right lobe of the liver, called as fossa of gallbladder. Why this is called as fossa of gallbladder? Obviously there is obviously gallbladder is present in that fossa, that's why that is called as fossa of gallbladder. So the major part of the gallbladder which is present in the fossa, that is body of the gallbladder. The last part is neck. Neck is obviously constricted part, narrow part, and it gives rise to cystic duct. Now we all know cystic duct will form bile duct by the union of common hepatic duct. Now last thing is blood supply of the gallbladder. What is the blood supply? Blood supply is through cystic artery and cystic vein. Cystic artery is the branch of right hepatic artery. Remember this point as well. So this was the whole topic regarding the gallbladder. Obviously, like I said, bile release होगा liver से, फिर वो gallbladder में store होगा, up to 50 ml store हो सकता है, और उसके बाद वहाँ पे थोड़ा concentrated हो जाएगा, and then जब need होगी, जब food आएगा duodenum में, then it will be released. So this was the whole topic regarding the gallbladder. Till then, work hard, study hard, and good luck. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.